Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Clearscope for content briefs and structure, detailed guide step by step clearly. To get started with configuring Clearscope for content briefs and structure, first, log into your Clearscope account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard page where you will find various options for content optimization. Click on Content Briefs located in the main menu. Next, select the Create New Brief button to start a new project. In the prompt that appears, enter your target keyword that you want to optimize your content for. After entering the keyword, click on Generate Brief to let Clearscope analyze the relevant topics and subtopics. Now, review the list of suggested topics provided by Clearscope. Select the topics that best align with your content goals by checking the corresponding boxes. Once you have chosen the relevant topics, proceed to the next section to customize your brief. You can adjust the title for your brief to reflect your content focus. Next, add a brief description that outlines the purpose and goals of the content. In the next area, you can input any specific instructions or guidelines that need to be followed while creating the content. Be sure to include a target word count to provide a clear scope for the writer. After setting up the basic structure, review the keyword analysis provided by Clearscope. Take note of the related keywords and phrases that should be included in your content. You can use this information to enhance the depth and relevance of your content. Once you feel satisfied with your brief, click on the Save button to store your setup. Now, you can share this brief with your writing team by exporting it as a PDF or sending it directly through the platform. Encourage your team to consult the Clearscope brief while composing the content to ensure all important elements are included. Finally, monitor the performance of the content using Clearscope's analytics features to make future improvements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.